Hello students, English subject standard 6. Today we will learn the topic article. Okay, and let's start with the uses of a and an. A and an are used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases when an indefinite noun is introduced for the first time. A is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases beginning with consonant sound. Article A, it is placed at the beginning of a noun or noun phrases beginning with a consonant sound. Okay, you have to mind that we not say consonant words, but we have to focus on consonant sounds. Like consonant sounds are k, kh, g, etc. So we have to mind on consonant sounds. So a article is placed at the beginning of consonant sounds. Okay, let's see the examples of consonant sounds. A leopard, a large book, a litter of kittens, a university, a one-line answer. You can see here university. U is vowel word, but here U is pronounced as a consonant sounds like university. So we have to put here article A. Another one is one-liner answer. You can see here O. O is vowel word. One. But O is sound here consonant sound. One. So we will use here article A before one. So you can see here some examples of consonant sounds. Okay. Let's read another article. Article N. N is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases beginning with vowel sound. Okay, we have to mind that article A, N, it is placed at the beginning of a noun or noun phrases beginning with the vowel sound. Vowel sounds are a, e, I, o, u. These are vowel sounds. So we will use article N beginning with the vowel sound, not vowel words but vowel sound. Here these some examples are here. An almirah, an elephant, an opportunity, an igloo. So these all are examples are vowel sounds. So we are using an article beginning of the vowel sound. Uses of the. Article the. When an indefinite noun is referred to again, the definite article the is used as shown in the lead-in. Article the refer to person, thing, event that has been mentioned. Once upon a time there was a king. The king was well known. So some person or thing or event that has been mentioned in the sentence. Okay. So we have to use the article before the mentioned things. In this I gave you one example that once upon a time there was a king. The king was well known. So king word is mentioned already in the sentence. So first of all we use king. So we use article A. But another time there is a word king. So we have to put here the. ये जो वाक्य मैंने बोला कि once upon a time there was a king, the king was well known. So इस सेंटेंस में king जो शब्द है उसका दो बार मेंशन किया है, मतलब दो बार दर्शाया गया है. तो एक बार हम king के आगे अ आर्टिकल का यूज करते हैं क्योंकि king को प्रोनाउंस करते हैं कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से king. बट किंग जो शब्द है उसको दूसरी बार अगर सेंटेंस में मेंशन किया जाता है तो दूसरी बार वो शब्द के आगे हम द आर्टिकल का यूज करते हैं। The is also used before singular and plural nouns when the speaker and the listener share a common experience. Let's see the example. Open the door and switch on the fan. In this case, both the speaker and listener know which door and which switch are being talked about. So, door and fan, these both things are fixed. Okay. Both listener and speaker both are known about these things. So, the fixed things or the things which are known by the listener and speaker, there we use the article. Another one, we also use the before name of objects or things that are universal truth. Those things are universal that we put article the. Let's see the example. The sun is larger than the earth. Here, sun and earth both are universal things. So, we have to put the article before the universal things or universal truth. Next, we often use the before the names of the places and people. I meet him at the post office. The doctor has not come as yet. Children are playing in the park. In this sentence is the used before the name of the places. Okay, because these places and people are often we use the, because these places and people are fixed. Okay, they are definite. So, we have to use article the before the places and people's name. You can see here some examples of article the. First of all, I told you that the article is referred to a person, thing or event that has been mentioned here. King is already mentioned in sentence 2 times. So, first of all, we use a article before the king once, and another time the king we use the article the before king because it's already mentioned in the sentence. Okay. Next one is unique things. Only one in the universe. Those things are only one in the universe. In this case, we have to put article the before these unique things like the sky, the Narmada river, the moon, the Taj Mahal. These all things are only one in the universe. Next one is refer to the wall system. Article the is also used before the wall system. The example is who invented the computer? Here, computer is mentioned for the wall system. So, we have to use here the computer. Who invented the computer? Next one is nationalities. We have used article the before the nationalities. Example is the British love tea. Here, British is mentioned the nationalities. So, we have to use article the before the nationality. Next one, it is also used before the name of regions, island, ocean, newspaper, etc. So, here is some examples of it. The Times of India, it's the name of newspaper. The Middle East, it's the name of any direction or Ireland or ocean. So, we have to use article the before the name of region, island, ocean and newspaper. Next one is musical instruments. We have to use article the before the name of musical instrument. Here is some examples of the guitar, the flute. These are musical instruments. So, we have used article the before these names. Next one is superlative construction. If you have seen any construction that is mentioned superlative construction, so you have to use article the before it. Example is the fastest, the most expensive, these examples of superlative construction. So, in this case, you have to use article the before it. So, I hope you understand the lesson about the articles a and the. Now, children, you have to do exercise at your home and make a sense for the articles exercise. Thank you.